Alright guys, kind of a weak pedal with my fist, my hand. I can go all the way. It's a pretty weak pedal. Tools needed for this job: 21mm for the lug nuts with the torque wrench, 7mm Allen for your caliper pin bolts that you will also be greasing them with something that is a brake parts lubricant. Make sure it is synthetic. And then your caliper frame bolts to get your caliper and everything off. To get your rotor off is an 18mm, and these are our little brake adjustment tools. 2005 Ford Expedition.
Yep.
Two-wheel drive.
Two-wheel drive.
Parking brake adjustment. Just take the caliper off and get it hung up. It's just these two little Allen bolts. Frame comes off, then we'll take the rotor off. Sometimes when you're trying to take a rotor off, if it's really on there tight, the perfect little treatment to it is you use the ball peen side of a ball peen hammer, and you'll hit it in between and it'll pop right off. Bada bing, bada boom. But then right after that, we'll take some sandpaper to the inside. But it looks pretty good. But right after that, there's your adjuster. It's basically a drum brake. And we'll do it on both sides. I'll show you the process here shortly. First time, 3 threads up. A little bit tighter. Second adjustment. Real close. Third adjustment. A few notches tighter. Fourth adjustment. Oh yeah. See how it won't go all the way down now? Just to be safe, we'll back it off 1 notch. I'll show you how to do that. Going this way makes it smaller. Going up into it makes it bigger. We're just gonna back it off. Maybe like 2 notches. It was going all the way to the... We're tight. Then we'll do the next wheel. So what can happen, guys, is as you're pushing this out, then this shoe will move and pushing out, and this one stays the same. So your center on your holes will be cockeyed, because this whole thing is just held in like drums by these springs. So you can move it and manipulate it to get it lined up where it's lined up good with your rotor. And you keep that in line as you're doing your testing and adjustments. Pretty tight.